One Northside, in collaboration with nonprofit anchors, has been working with residents, community stakeholders, and system partners towards the community developed vision to improve quality of life for all Northside residents. This ambitious effort began in 2014, focuses on 5 pillars: safety, health, education, employment, and place.
The 5 pillars were the result of an extensive community engagement effort led by the Buell Foundation. The Buell Foundation, whose namesake himself had been a Northsider, made a 20-year commitment to focus its grant-making in the 18 neighborhoods of the Northside and explore solutions to the issues residents found most pressing. Now in its 9th year, the Buell Foundation's One Northside initiative is serving to connect, catalyze, leverage, and grow grassroots community change through 12 core strategies. Both the Northview Heights Public Safety Center and newly piloted Zone 1 Cares initiative are relationship-based policing approaches that are proving successful. Crime has decreased by 72% since 2017 in Northview Heights, and the city is taking this approach to other neighborhoods. Walking neighborhoods and coordinating engagement events such as Coffee with Cops are just a few of the ways Zone 1 is working to build stronger relationships with residents.
The officers are not here to hurt us, they're here to help us. But they can't help us if we're not talking back to them.
What I would like people to know about working with the Zone 1 police is that they are very approachable.
After we start building this trust with the community and the residents, the idea is that you trust us, you can start telling us what the issues are in your neighborhood.
Trusting relationships is the core to success of Project Destiny's Thrive 18 initiative.
Thrive 18 is a holistic intervention, and it's used to create thriving communities to address the barriers around social determinants of health. What we mean by social determinants of health, all of the needs encompassing housing, food, utilities, employment, mental health, healthcare, health insurance, you name it. Anything that is essential and critical needs of the residents, we are able to address it.
The Thrive 18 intervention is working. 1 out of every 3 households canvassed agreed to the intake process. Of the households surveyed, 91% agreed to receive help. Thrive 18 has supported over 2,575 households with at least one need. To help address the critical need of sustainable wage jobs and viable career pathways, the Northside North Shore Chamber was tapped to be the employment anchor.
We have credibility with employers, service organizations, training providers, and there was definitely a need for some communication, some collaboration of different opportunities where people could come together and match good jobs with good people.
Leadership training is what 14 Perry High School students found when they accepted the opportunity to serve as student safety ambassadors this past summer. Now this program is a model for other city high schools.
The Safety Ambassador program is essentially like a program to push people in the direction of doing the right things rather than whatever else, like fighting or being in the hallways. It teaches you how to do what you have to do and still make the best out of your high school experience.
School safety isn't the only focus at Perry. A core group of dedicated Perry teachers have been leading transformational change at Perry in collaboration with One Northside Anchor, A+ schools since 2018.
We've developed a plan to create STEAM pathways, also voted to put in a block schedule.
The block schedule increased student instructional time by 90 hours and opened the door to partnerships with Northside cultural institutions.
We've got partnerships with the Carnegie Science Center, City of Asylum, Manchester Craftsmen's Guild, and the Moonshot Museum. And those institutions are now coming into the school.
The students that go to Perry have more opportunities to engage in the subject matter, in creative expression. We created in-depth engagements that brought connections between creative practice and academic subject areas.
Perry students aren't the only residents with unique opportunities to expand their learning. Through One Northside Anchor partner, Trying Together, residents can enroll in a 10-week course to learn how to become a child care provider.
Childcare programs are having a hard time finding qualified staff to meet their ratio needs. So one of the things that Trying Together is doing is we're offering workforce development programs that help open new childcare programs on the North Side, as well as helping those that are already working in childcare to increase their career pathway.
Place Anchor partner Rising Tides is ensuring residents of all backgrounds and income levels have access to quality, affordable homes and rental units. Workforce housing is an essential part of One Northside.
Housing that a family that has a regular job can afford. We need a place for those families on the North Side. And so One Northside Homes was an entity created to serve the vision of One Northside.
Perry Hilltop, Fineview, California Kirkbride, and Charles Street Valley are working on affordable housing and a comprehensive community plan through Choice.
Choice is a HUD-funded grant that Fineview and Perry Hilltop received back in 2021.
It began with a massive survey effort that engaged both the dwellings residents as well as the neighbors in the broader communities. A number of people responded and gave input on what kind of things they would like to see alongside this housing, so bus stops and lighting and new food amenities, all these different things.
The plan is the beginning, and now it's time to do the work of implementing the plan, and so this is the exciting part.